Yo guys, what's good? Today I have a video that should be it should be helpful for some of you guys. I really wanted to make this video because it seems like every time I have a computer problem, it's like not the same as anyone else's computer problem. And so this was bothering me for about 2 or 3 days before I actually found a fix for it. But basically, like, my computer was being really loud, and I could hear, like, I thought it was a fan grinding, or it just sounded like a sandpaper against concrete, kind of, but with like a higher tone to it. And it was really annoying. Like, everything would be picked up on my mic. Like, you could just hear like grinding on my mic in Discord, and whenever I try to record or stream or any of that. So I kind of listened around. I tested all the fans and I couldn't hear anything. And so I started looking up, why is my computer making noise? It's not the fans. And I realized that it was my my hard drive, because I have an SSD also, but SSDs don't make noise, so it was my hard drive. And so it seemed like all the solutions were saying to defrag. Oh wait, this is not where I need to be. And so the basic way to defrag a computer is go to administrative tools. Also, by the way, whenever you first get this, it'll be by category. You want to change it to large icons, and then go and do administrative tools. And you just want to keep it on large icons, because that's the easiest way to navigate all this. And then go to defrag and optimize drives. Then you have your C drive and then your D drive, or however many other drives you have. And my D drive was my SSD, my C is my hard drive, and it's a terabyte hard drive, and I have like 900 gigs on it. And it was getting like stuck on analyzed, and then whenever I actually got it completely defragged, like it shows right here, it was still making that noise. And I mess around with my PC a fair amount. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if the hard drive got bumped and so like the needle was off, but I was not ready to fix that. So I was trying to find everything I could before it came down to that. So I ran it on here, and then it was completely defragged, but it was still making the noise, like I said. So I said, screw that, close this, and then I found this. So it's a Glare Utilities 5. This is a free download, and it's just it just helps you maintain your PC a little bit better, and you can defrag from here. And this is where I found my solution. So let's open that. From here, click this little arrow, and then disk defrag, and then use your C drive, and it'll say ready, hopefully, for you. I'm not sure what to do if it says it's not ready. And this should take 5-10 minutes, and literally the second it was done defragging, it was completely gone. Like, there's no more issue. I'll link this in the description. And yeah, that was my fix on the disk scratching. I hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, boys.